Kick-off festivals.
Hello, Florida International University students. I am Robert Ašertvytis. I am owner of Lithuanian CRM ERP company Aiva Sistema. Our company has been selling our developed ERP software for various small and large companies in Lithuania for 20 years. Today I'll describe the challenges of ERP implementation process from software vendors' perspective. We have implemented our ERP software in various manufacturing, retail, wholesale and service companies. During each implementation phase, we face many challenges. For manufacturing companies, the main challenge is to model software functionality with the company's manufacturing and production processes. We need to understand all the operational details of manufacturing process very well in order to customize the software's functionality to fit clients' needs. However, the client company usually does not provide clear and detailed description of the manufacturing processes, thinking that some of the details are not necessary to be revealed to us. Not having full picture of the manufacturing process in the very beginning of the project slows down the whole implementation process. Another challenge that we face during the implementation process is that the client company does not have a project manager assigned to lead the ERP implementation process. Small and medium companies do not have staff available that would have enough knowledge to lead the implementation process. The implementing ERP software in retail wholesale companies, the main challenge is the consistency of accounting system. When we start to implement the system in the stores and point of sales, some mistakes can take place due to different accounting methods used. Those mistakes are very painful for the client company as they can lose revenue due to such mistakes. When these mistakes are discovered, we have to fix the code in the software immediately, regardless if it's a weekend or holiday. For this time, that's all. Thank you very much and have a nice day.